Welcome to the Innovator Series, where we showcase the promising innovators in Australia's startup ecosystem. Today we have Pfluger, founder of the Cortex Brainwave Technologies. Driven by his own experience with neurodegenerative diseases, Casey and his team are building a computer headset interface and sensors to improve the lives of those with ADHD and autism. Welcome on the show, Casey.
Thanks, Clarice.
Let's see what Cortex is all about.
Neurofeedback therapy is a globally recognized treatment for neurological conditions, including autism, ADHD, Alzheimer's, dementia, depression, and epilepsy. Neurofeedback therapy can be uncomfortable and currently requires the outlay of thousands of dollars and lengthy clinic sessions. Cortex is developing brain-computer interface sensors and affordable headsets to provide at-home neurofeedback therapy sessions.
Casey, how has your personal experience with autism inspired you to pursue this area of research and entrepreneurship?
Well, Clarice, it's always been about the motivation that comes from me as a parent, seeing my daughter go through what I went through as a child, and knowing absolutely that I want to make sure that she has an easier life than I did, because both of us have ADHD and autism. And it was during my career as a medical researcher that I came across a therapy called neurofeedback. And it's a game-based therapy that I thought would be perfect for my daughter because she really struggles with concentration in usual therapy settings. And the problem was that when we looked for a therapy device or a therapy provider, it was either really expensive or the device just wasn't there, and that's where the seed of Cortex started to grow. That's
fantastic, Casey. And how are you validating this idea?
Well, it's always been really important to me as a researcher, coming from that background, to make sure that whatever we're making is going to be backed by the research. So it's been making sure we go through the clinical trials and all of the device information that we can obtain, and also in talking to users for our device to make sure whatever we make will be actually suitable for their needs.
That's great, Casey. And what do you see as the next steps in your journey with Cortex?
Well, we've actually reached the really exciting point now where we're raising $250,000 of seed funds to move from our prototype into manufacturing, and then even more exciting, to move into trials with users. So yeah, really, really exciting to have actually reached this point. At many points, it felt like it never would come, and it's all seeming to come together this year.
That's great, Casey. It's great to hear how you've come along in this journey, and all the best as you go into the capital raising phase.
Yeah, thanks.
And if you would like to meet more innovators, make sure to follow the Innovator Series.